April 7th or 8th, Easter Eve 2023. We're in between Crocodile Rock and Practice Rock. Would probably be around this corner, mile and a half up from the gates. We ripped this bad boy up until it started to turn into this pinstripe little trail. Happy trail, not trying to follow that today. South facing snowpack still, crazy. Some red signs for reference. Oh yeah, this beast is gonna be fun on the way down. The person steering it really has to be directionally tuned, as well as with the rider in the back. So this will be it for us. Maybe we'll walk around the corner and call it good. Cheers to the wetness and the snow we had in the winter of 2023.
This is gonna be a wet ride down.
Whoa, baby! If they're doing straight up beer pong, it'd be pretty sick. Oh yeah, they get the cores over there. Hey, let's go, guys.